We have witnessed Mumbai evolve right in front of our eyes. From the iconic Bandra Worli scene to the transformative coastal route to the upcoming race course development and the ever-evolving skyline around Mahalakshmi. This micro market has been constantly reinventing itself, and that's just the beginning. Because what's coming up next year is set to completely redefine this neighborhood. The new residential towers, commercial hub, enhanced connectivity, and a lifestyle ecosystem that will shape the future of Mahalakshmi Racecourse Belt.
The interesting part is, this location offers best of both worlds. You're just minutes away from your social life. Palladium, Kamla Mills, NSCR, Wellington Club, Racecourse, and some of the city's finest experiences. Also, you're just minutes away from South Bombay without paying the premium that comes with South Mumbai address. That's exactly why this entire stretch is emerging as one of the biggest growth stories of Mumbai real estate. Want to know what developments are coming up in this location? Comment Racecourse and I'll send you a curated list of properties.